Mom Minute Day 18. Make sure that you've liked and subscribed so you don't miss any more, and go back and check out the ones you might have missed. Deep breath with me, because I'm going to give you a little bit of a harsh truth right now. Stop trying to do everything all at once. Stop trying to do it all. We're moms, we're programmed that way, and we try really hard to do all of the heavy lifting. And the same goes for working for ourselves, trying to heal, get healthy for ourselves. We try and do too much at once, okay? You hit Monday morning and you try and eat absolutely perfect, totally clean. You try and get 5 workouts in at the gym. You cut out all sugar, whatever it is, right? And then come Friday, you're like, I'm exhausted. I'm gonna eat the cake. I'm gonna go ham on the fast food. I'm gonna not work out, right? All of these things play a role. And there's a reason that we kind of crash and burn at the end. It's too much. You just can't sustain it. You can't manage it. And so we need to work through that. We need to do the boring things, because the boring things work. We need to start small. We need to stack habits, because those are the things that work and become lifelong tricks that stick, right? So, meaning, just fix your breakfast. Work on breakfast until you're not thinking as hard about it, until it's more every time you go to the store, you're getting the things you need for that good breakfast, and you're not even thinking twice anymore. Then you can work on this mid-morning snack, whatever it is. Maybe it's, I only have 10 minutes right now to work out. So you do your 10 minutes. You go 10 minutes at a time, and then you slowly build, okay? Don't try and do all of it at once. If you're focusing on food, don't worry about the workouts right now. If you're focusing on the workouts, don't worry about food right now. The boring stuff works, and we need to start small. So stop trying to do everything all at once. And make sure that if you are trying to start small, that you're really truly doing stuff that you can sustain. Okay, if you need a little more guidance, I have linked my pelvic floor essentials guide below, and that's a great place to start. Super small, super easy exercises, nothing crazy intense, and shouldn't take a lot of your time or day. So give that a try and let me know what you think, and I will see you for day 19.